Hey, Carson.
Hey Justin, what's happening?
What are you doing, man?
We just got this Camaro in from a guy, and he was having a hard time getting the brakes bled, and so I thought it'd be a good opportunity to show you guys something not a lot of people are familiar with on these old cars. So this brass block here is a proportioning valve. This is a really common aftermarket style. GM would have put it down on the frame rail or something like that in various years. But what this does is it controls the brake fluid pressure between the front and rear wheels. And what this is right here is a little safety switch. And so the way that this system is designed is if you develop a leak in the front or rear, it's meant to plug that leak so you can maintain brake pressure. And then this wire here will be tripped and goes to your parking brake light. So your parking brake light actually doubles as a warning for your brake system malfunction. And so a lot of times people run into issues getting the brakes bled because of the functionality of this device is to prevent a brake leak and plug it. So what you have to do is to make these little lockout tools. Just Google GM brake proportioning valve tool right there. And most of the OEM master cylinders, there'll be a little cap right here with a little nipple, and that shows which way that rod has slid. We don't have that on this style, so you need to look down into the hole. And I don't know if Justin will be able to get that or not. Let me get the flashlight and see. Yeah, that's pretty good. You can see down in there in that little tiny hole. So basically, once you get the thing in the right position, you just thread this down in there. Thread it in just like the sensor. And then once that's all the way in, you're good to go ahead and bleed your brakes. Make sure you get a nice, tight, firm pedal. And once you're done, make sure you pull that back out so you get your safety back, and you're good to hit the road with properly bled brakes. You guys have a good one.
Thanks, bro.
Yes, sir.